And so what's up guys? Welcome to the lockdown episode of my channel. My name is Alex and I am a Filipino seafarer. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a bowline knot like this. Wow! I will also show you some of many ideas how to use this kind of knot. So that's it for the intro. Let's proceed now and study how to make a bowline knot. So guys, as you see in the image, this is the bowline knot. This is the most common, the most basic, the most easy to do knot in the maritime industry. It is commonly used for securing, but it can also be used for lifting objects, and it can also be used as an alternative if one of the ship's mooring line breaks. You just need to have a bigger rope and make a bowline, and voila, your problem is solved for the meantime. So first, let's start doing the bowline by hand. This is the line. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. So this is the line. This is the running end of the line. Just keep a look at it. Just follow it. Yes. On my right hand, and then make a slope. Yeah, make a ring. Pass it above your left hand. See? Observe above. Above, not under. Yes. And then the running end of the line again, pass it underneath, below. Yes, underneath, through, inside the ring, inside the eye. And then after you pass it through again, underneath. And then when you go back, pass it inside the eye. And watch out where I hold it, and then pull it tighter. Yes, there you go. You already have a bowline. So guys, let's have a quick recap, a quick review. Just watch out for the running end of the line. And this is the line. This is my right hand and my left hand. Just watch it as it goes above, not under, above my left hand, and make a ring. Okay, above, and then underneath, inside the ring, underneath, inside, not above again. And then the next is underneath again, underneath, okay, not above, and pass it through till it go back, till it come back where it enters, and pull it tight, harder. Yeah, there you go. You have now your small bowline with an eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to use this bowline in lifting object. For example, a gas tank. Always watch out for my right hand. I am using my right hand because this is my dominant hand. I am right-handed. Okay, pass it through the object, and then pass it above the line, the main line, and a quick pull, a quick hard pull. By doing a quick pull, you will create a ring in the main line. Observe, this is the running end line. I will pull it, and then you will create a ring, and then pass it inside. Yes, so that is your bowline on an object. Lift it. See, it's tight, it's heavy, but it's tight, it's secured. And guys, it is very easy to undone. Example, it's tight and you feel it that it is very tight. Just relax and just hold this one, because this is the weak link of this kind of knot, and then push the running end back slowly. Yeah, this is just an example. Yeah, and then there it goes, it loosen up. Done. And so guys, just like what I've said earlier, that this line is almost everything, I will now show you another function of this line in case of emergency. And in case you fell overboard on the water, in the water, and someone throw you a line because there is no life buoy somewhere, you can use this just simply by tying it to your waist, to your body, as what I've said in the tutorial. Just pass it above the main line using your dominant hand. Observe, and yes, pull, make a hard pull in the running end of the line, and that pull will create a ring. Pass it underneath and pull it. Yes, there it is, there it goes. Let that someone pull you up, you will survive. Yeah, see? Okay, let us do it again for you to follow. As I've said earlier, if in case you fell overboard and there is no life buoy, life ring whatsoever, you can use this. Okay, this is the running line. Pass it inside, make a hard pull. Again, watch it. Watch the running end of the line, pull it hard, and then you will create a ring by pulling it hard. Pass it underneath and then pass it inside the eye or the ring that you created, and pull it inside harder. Yeah, so that's it, you're secured now. Okay, another one, last one guys, for you to follow, for you to follow it easier. Okay, this the running end, pull it hard, you will create a ring. Pass it underneath the main line. This is the main line, see? And then after passing it underneath, you go pass it inside the ring that you created. Make a hard pull, you're secured. Easy to tie, easy to untie, easy to done, and easy to undone. That's it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. Sana po nakatulong itong vlog na ito para madagdagan ang inyong kaalaman patungkol sa lubid at kung paano gamitin ito. At sa mga bago lamang po sa channel ko, pakiclick na lang po ang like and subscribe button para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago ko pang video. Salamat, bye bye!